And what is going on tonight for First Fridays?
So for the museum, we've got our open galleries for Elijah Pierce, American Journey. In the courtyard over here, we've got the Goddard School. They have select artwork on display. We've got soap carving over here that goes along with the wood carvings in the galleries. And then we also have a ice carver outside front.
What is unique about soap carving? And it looks like this group's having fun with it.
So soap carving is the easiest way into getting into carving.
Okay.
The Elijah Pierce exhibit is real detailed folk art wood carving, but if you want to just try carving for the first time, it's pretty simple. All you need is really a pencil or a wood carving tool and an ivory bar of soap, and it kind of just has really easy give, and anybody can do it, kids and adults. I've also got